Do you know Batu Hiu Beach? Welcome to Batu Hiu Beach. Hello guys, my name is Shirley. I am 12 years old. I study at SDN 1 Cibenda. I live in Suchen. Now I am at Batu Hiu Beach. Batu Hiu Beach is one of the best beach destination in Pangandaran. Batu Hiu Beach is very beautiful and enchanting. Batu Hiu Beach is popular in West Java. It is located at Parigi Subdistrict in Pangandaran Regency. In Batu Hiu Beach, you can enjoy the view, take the photo with your family, your friends, your siblings, or more. And you can playing the games at Batu Hiu Beach. How to get to Batu Hiu Beach from Norita Parigi? Here you are. First, you have to go straight and turn left on Siliwangi Street. Then go straight again until you meet the T junction. You turn left on Chiliang Avenue. Go straight again past the SDN 1 Chiliang. Then go straight until you meet the T junction again. You turn right on Batu Hiu Street. And then go straight again. So you are in Batu Hiu Beach. Have fun in Batu Hiu Beach. Thank you. Goodbye.